Hello students, I welcome all the standard 10 students on these online classes. So today we will be discussing some examples which are given in your book. I have taken that example from your book and some of the examples we will discuss so that you can understand properly and you will try to solve the question answer from the section exercise. Okay, so let's start this one. Example 1. A body is pivoted at a point. A force of 100 Newton is applied at a distance of 2 meter from the pivot. Calculate the moment of force from the pivot. Here the question is asking calculate the moment of force from the pivot. So while solving any word problem, you know that one. What are the things which we are considering first? That means first the given thing. So what are the given thing here? A force of 100 Newton. That means force is given. F is equal to 100 Newton. Is applied at a distance of 2 meter from the pivot, from the fulcrum also. Yes, D is equal to 2 meter. And direct formula is there, that is moment of force is equal to F into D. That is equal to 100 Newton into 2 meter is equal to 200 Newton meter. This one is the simple question. Okay. Next example. A force of 25 Newton produces a moment of force of 8 Newton meter. Calculate the distance between the point of applications of force and turning point. So here also we can see that one. What are the given things? Moment of force it is given 8 Newton meter and force is given 25 Newton. And you all know that one moment of force is equal to F into D. That one is the formula only. So what we have to find out? Calculate the distance between the point of application of force and turning point. So D we have to calculate here. So D is equal to moment of force divided by F. So 8 divided by 25 meter is equal to 0.32 meter. Simple questions are only given here. Okay, I hope you all are understanding this one. Example 3. Two equal and unlike parallel forces of magnitude 34 Newton act on a rigid body such that the moment of couple is 8.50 Newton meter. Calculate the arm of couple. So here you need to understand two equal and unlike forces. At the same time, both the forces are parallel to one another. Equal and unlike forces, not like forces, of magnitude 34 Newton acts on a rigid body such that the moment of couple is 8.50 Newton meter. Calculate the arm of couple. So here also we can find out the solutions. Okay. So given F is equal to 34 Newton, moment of force 8.50 Newton meter, moment of couple either force, any one force out of that two force. Two equal and opposite forces are given, unlike forces are given. Yes, so any one force we have to take. So moment of couple is equal to either force into arm of couple. Yes, arm of couple we have to find out. So just put the values of the given things, whatever it is given. So 8.50 is equal to 34 into arm of couple. So arm of couple is equal to, when that 34 goes to left hand side, it will be divided only. So 8.50 divided by 34 meter is equal to 0.25 meter. Did you understand that one? Okay. Example 4. A 40 kilogram boy sits 1.5 meter away from the fulcrum of a seesaw. How far from the fulcrum must another boy of 32 kilograms sit in order to balance the seesaw? So while solving this type of problem, first try to draw the rough diagram. Sometime in your question it will be asking that draw the diagram also. But even if it is not asking, then also you try to draw the rough diagram. Then only it will be easier for you to solve the question. So here figure 1.26, it is given fulcrum is there, a seesaw is present, okay, and it is balanced at the fulcrum. So 40 kilogram boy sits 1.5 meter away from the fulcrum. So see here, it is indicated also very nicely, 1.5 meter away from the fulcrum. How far from the fulcrum must another boy of 32 kilogram sit in order to balance the seesaw? So right hand side 32 kilogram boy is sitting. That distance, how much distance he must be sitting so that it will be balanced? Obviously, because right hand side boy is lighter than the left hand side boy. Yes, so right hand side boy must be sitting away from the fulcrum. That means more distance as compared to that heavier boy. Okay, let us take that one as x. From the figure, 40 kilogram boy will produce anti-clockwise movement. Obviously 40 kilogram boys will move downward direction. That means anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise movement about f. Let another boy sit at a distance of x meter from the fulcrum. Then in equilibrium positions, you know that one, clockwise movement is equal to anti-clockwise movement. So here clockwise movement 32 into x only. Yes, because 32 kilogram boy will move downward direction, so that it will be produce clockwise moment of force only. So moment of force, the formula is there, F into D only. So just simply we have to apply the formula, 32 into x, yes, is equal to anti-clockwise moment 40 into 1.5. 1.5 is the distance. Because of 45 kilogram, the force is exerted on the seesaw. That's why 40 is taken here and 32 is taken here. So we need to calculate the distance. X is equal to 40 into 1.5 divided by 32. After solving that one, we will get 1.88 meter. Hence another boy must sit at a distance of 1.88 meter from the fulcrum to balance the seesaw. Did you understand that one? I hope you all are understanding that. Okay. So next example, example 5. On a seesaw, two sisters of masses 20 kg and 30 kg are sitting on one side of it at distances 1 meter and 2 meter respectively from the fulcrum. Where should their father of mass 60 kg sit to balance them? Here another weight is coming, another force will come. Okay, let both the sisters be sitting on left side of fulcrum and father on right side of the fulcrum. Obviously, because of the father weight, that is 60 kg, is much higher than them. Yes, the two sisters of masses 20 kg and 30 kg are there, but that father of mass 60 kg, which is more. So both the sisters are sitting on the left side of the fulcrum. Let us take that one, and father on right side of the fulcrum. Then sisters will produce anti-clockwise moment, obviously left hand side, because they are sitting, that's why they will be producing anti-clockwise moment, and father will produce clockwise moment. Let x be the distance of father from the fulcrum. Then in equilibrium position, sum of the anti-clockwise moment is equal to sum of the clockwise moment only. Yes, so one sister is sitting 1 meter away from the fulcrum and another sister is sitting 2 meter away from the fulcrum, respectively it is given. That means the girl which is having 20 kilogram is sitting 1 meter away from the fulcrum, and the girl which is having 30 kilogram is sitting 2 meter away from the fulcrum. So that's why we have to find out the anti-clockwise moment, because they are sitting at the left hand side. So 20 into 1 plus 30 into 2. And sum of clockwise moment, right hand side, that father is sitting. So let us take the distance from the fulcrum be x. So 60 into x it is taken. Okay. Then in equilibrium position, sum of the anti-clockwise moment is equal to sum of the clockwise moment, that one same thing. So we need to find out the x. X is equal to 1.88 1.33 meter it will come. Hence, father should sit at a distance of 1.33 meter from the fulcrum. Okay. Next class we will discuss some more example. Up to this much, I hope you all have understood and you try to solve the question answer from the section exercise. Okay. Thank you.